very handsome. Stop ringing, babe. Stop na ako. I'm taller. Okay, 1, 2, 3. See if you like it. Ikaw ang kukuhaan ng Are you recording or the picture? Oh, just recording? Okay, hi.
Happy birthday, Mommy!
Happy birthday, Mom! Hi! How are you? How are you? Ask your mom about your
Oh, naka-video?
Oh my gosh, masyado malapit. Not yet, but almost. Happy birthday, Nessie! Happy birthday, Nessie! Happy birthday, Nessie! Happy birthday, Nessie! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Nessie! Video ba yan?
Ako nagpunta sa kamay niya yun. Lahat yun pumupunta sa kamay niya yun. Pati yung... Di pa dumadating yung isa natin umaras.
Pupunta sa sinisirita. Sige, punta na kayo. Pupunta ako sa...
Dalawa sila ni Recto eh.
Oo.
Ayun, kurap.
Matindi yung ano.
Yaman nung kumbaga.
Wala.
Go to like,
Nakita ko lang nagsishadow, tingnan mo, may flash, may lumalabas, tingnan mo.
Jerk speech! Happy birthday, Mommy! Happy birthday, Mommy!
Happy birthday, Mom!
Ako nagpapapicture. Thank you. Check it. Wait, one more. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Movie camera ba yan? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Baka nga rin tumawa.
Mom! There's naman tayo.
Do you wanna?
Kabunyag ate kabarkada mi nga may karabak ko.
Hey, Jake. Come here.
Doon sa loob ng... Doon sa loob ng meron yung naka-plastic doon sa pagmamaya. Patay! Ay, minsan may lagyanan ng yun.
They use sa Pilipinas every single one. Kaya pala yung tikwada, di ba? Yung Honda. Iba ng laman lesan? Iba ng laman lesan, san? Nasa laman lesan?
Kasi kung kumakain si Mika, let's sing happy birthday! Let's gather! Teka, kasi walang battery yung camera ko. Ay, siya patay. Lalagyan pa pala ba? Hindi masarap po sila. All the way to the top. I'm ready to have a picture. Wow, for your team?
Kaun na.
Hindi nga kailangan tatawon, ano?
I can see the whole downtown, like how everything was solved it up. But it's only his room, the rest of the house. I know. He never looks out his window, so.
Among DJ yanti, ayan ni Juan, ni Dulce, may sadwa, may kaklo, DJ yanti nakapod, mangrugi DJ sumurutan, DJ may kaklo.
Dito ko mangrugi dito eh.
Kingkan na wan ha, may kaklo.
May kalo.
Yan next week ko ni.
Happy birthday.
Dito ba? Kasi ang takin ka.
Yeah,
When nagsublog pa ko.
Igabit ko lang, Jay.
Ay, when lalagay na.
yeah.
Kaya ka naubusan na tipo, nabati gaya ni jacket ko.
Ilong God. Diba na?
I never met him. I met him when graduation.
Hey, de photographer tayo man nato, de guwapo de ma.
Ito kayo, sumplan kayo, mate.
Sige, kayo ng tripa.
Balitan tayo.
It'll pass by though. Once you're done.
Nakarecord din.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday daw mo. Happy birthday. Oh my God. Happy birthday daw.
I got my
Jake, somebody should take the picture. Ini sa likod. Mama kay, litay. Lagi kaya mo pa tayo sa likod ng les. Isa sa picture. Ayo, dahil na wala pa yung sa likod. Hey, bali baby naman siya. It's okay, baby. It's okay. What, dami ka din? Buti pa si Ate Glenn. Talaga? Okay, babe.
That's why I said that's probably what I'm going to do.
Precious! Precious! Come here. Take a picture. Uy, nagkikinig yan. Ang dami. Birthday to you.
Let me get a picture.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Leslie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Leslie. So much blessing.
Where is your husband and your daughter?
Yes, buddy. Oy, mag-join kayo. Ano, ikaw, Jay, si Rene. Rene, Jay, somebody dito ka. Asan yung asawa mo?
Oh, Jay. I'll hold it.
Jay, come on, Jay. Hold it. Mag-picture tayo na to.
Rene, where's Rene?
Kaya pala kita mo. May mag-galag picture na.
Rene!
Saka gumagawa pa ng kape mo, Ate Glass.
Oo nga, hindi na lang yung kape para wala na eh.
Mag-picture tayo pa tatlo. Okay.
Here, Mom, you get the first slide.
Ay, ba't na? Hindi ka na kuna ng picture. Wala yung tatay. Oh, nasa yung tatay.
Okay.
lagi pelayan na sa
Yeah, I'm eating it.
I don't want it.
I don't want it. You don't want any?
Tiwaras ka ng tekanitan na. Okay. Punta ka po na kung sa
Here's your big Sam.
I don't want it. You don't have to eat the cake if you don't want
Let's go to smaller. Give me a fork.
Masarap, masarap.
No question.
Hey mom, do you remember if we ordered strawberry or strawberry mango? It was
Strawberry mango.
I don't think there's mango in there.
Mom fork. Mom fork.
That's here, go pass this out. That's what you can do.
Yeah. Nas, meron ka pa bang ano, slicer? Wala nga eh. Ay, meron isa dito. Ikaw nga.
Here, mommy, pass it out.
Magbibigay ako.
Kaya nga, sila na lang ang nasa taas. Kaya nga, hindi ako makakita siya na pa. Nakapatid namin nilang no, there is Kanya,
We are handed out.
That's mine.
That's what they celebrate. And then,
You got such a big
Precious. I know. Ang laki naman na itong pinuha ko. Tama lang yung gaya.
yeah.
Nakiniglawan ako, takal kayo siya. Pati ko na. So wala pa nakabingay.
Yeah.
Hey, tita. Did you cut it small?
Smaller daw. Sige. Smaller daw.
Channel kaya mo pa.
Smaller daw. Request daw. Sabi ko sana daanan mo na lang sa akin. Oo. Sa mga bata.
A master's in counseling, school counseling. So you have 2 degrees, and they have a 1-year program. Yeah, cover your ears.
Where?
Mom, do you still need me?
Oh my gosh, that would
Do
be
you still
so
need me?
Yeah, I'd love to like
No.
be able
You still need me.
like really just sit around and close. I mean, I guess it's like